Do you name a route that's not complete and hasn't been free climbed? It was a magnificent failure. We actually called it to be continued. One of the big things that I've always enjoyed about climbing is ultimately to see other people repeat your climbs and get something out of them. I've been inspired by preceding generations, and so I build upon the achievements of others and then hopefully have carried that tradition on.
Six pitches, all of them are full value, culminating in this beast of an overhang. That's what makes the Great Arch the challenge that it is. There's something different about climbing these big, multi-pitch sea cliffs in Scotland.
It encapsulates all the kind of essences of what climbing is for so many people. It's an adventure, it's uncertainty, it's just good for the soul.